because they're slick, like that one right there.
Connected.
Good morning, everybody. It's 10 degrees. Welcome to the channel. So, how many of y'all ride in the snow? It's a good question. I don't usually ride much in the snow, but thought I'd get out today and try it a little bit. On the roads, it's kind of pretty much gone. We didn't get but about an inch and a half or so. Problem is, it's like 10 degrees out here. It's cold, cold, cold. It was actually about 7 below zero. So my shield is fogging up. I can't see, but oh, there goes a blue herring flying across there. FedEx. I don't know if he's going to my house or not, but I gotta go see. Probably not. Nope. So I don't know if I can go up that hill in the woods or not in the snow. Maybe too slick. At least there's not a lot of it. It's not deep. Bet I can. I can go through here. And I got pretty good traction. I'm digging down to the dirt pretty good, evidently. Just try it without a big run. I'm definitely spinning, but I'm going. Feel the back end walking around. So yeah, it's definitely different than no snow. But we're going to have a white Christmas anyway. Not real white, but this is Christmas Eve right now. So Merry Christmas to you all. And comment below if you ride in the snow. Check that out across there. You can see that it's not real heavy, but that road up through there is slick up over the hill. Looking like. We'll just go through the woods back out of here instead of back down the hill. I see deer tracks everywhere. I mean, they tore this place up walking around out here. There's one been pawing at the ground there and dug a little spot up I seen. Now, if I remember where my trail is, it's kind of different with snow on. It's an old trail. I made a video the other day on it. Oh, right here. I can tell you on snow, you really got to watch those logs because they're slick. Like that one right there. My front tire slid on a little stick. And especially, these are not just slick from snow, they also got ice on them because we got ice, a little ice before we got the snow. Oh yeah, that's slick. And I don't want to fall down like I did the other day either. I'd rather not. Yeah, I hit a stick, any kind of stick, and it just wants to, front tire just go. There's no traction at all. So this is just a short video, guys. Want to see how many of you is riding the snow. I don't mind. I mean, you gotta be real careful, of course. I wouldn't want to ride on the highway at very fast speeds in the snow and a bunch of cars and traffic. But put around on the back roads, as long as it's not too deep, it ain't that bad. Tires make a huge difference. I can tell you one thing, tires that are brand new, I'm talking about ones that are sharp edged that have never been used, they actually do real well in the snow. Once you've already wore them off and rounded them off, it's a huge difference. And then, of course, I guess you could put those ice screws in it. Uh-oh, I'm going the wrong way now. That's a log across there. So, better turn back this way. Get myself into a heck of a mess. Over there, I think, who knows? Oh yeah, I'm back on the trail again now. I keep fogging up so bad, it's crazy. My glasses, my spectacles. Goodness. I'm fogged up so bad I can't really see where I'm going. Back at the house, you can see the rooftop there. That's it, guys. How many of y'all ride in the snow? And Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy New Year from Woodzman Adventures. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Catch you on the next one. Ride on. This ought to be a yee-haw. Just let her go. Whoa, I slid sideways there.